Hi everyone! Wow, this has been it feels like forever. So we're into week 2 of our lockdown now, and things are slowly starting to calm down. Oh, bless my young ladies. Anyway, I have learnt so much about geography from homeschooling. It's been unreal. So, I have a journal with me today. It's a bit of tongue-in-cheek, because there is no other way of looking at this apart from like, yeah, it's happening, get on with it. So let's have a bit of fun. So I have my normal, so this is what I'm using as a journal. It's I think it's an art journal. Well, I've got one which I do use as an art journal, but it allows me to do all sorts of watercolours, acrylics, everything I want in there. Now I have got, those of you that have been sort of looking at my shop, I've been playing around with stickers, and I've got another set which is in my shop, but I thought let's have some fun. So this one is entitled Home Home Sweet Home. Oh yes, I did say it was going to be tongue-in-cheek. So I'm thinking I want a bit of background, so this is just a Tim Holtz, what are they called? Stencils. Mine's a bit grubby. It's had all sorts of paint, and right, I've got Victorian velvet, just a bog standard one. I haven't what's it called? I haven't bought. Oh, do you know, this is what 2 weeks being at home has done to me. It isn't a distress oxide, is what I'm trying to say. It is just a normal distress ink. There we go. Whoa, I can get my words out. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this as a bit of a background, because my flowers are pink. So this is what I'm going to do with it. So she's really desperately hoping that the blue paint that one of my young ladies has used it for doesn't come off on there. And then let's have some to break the page up, I think. Oh, I quite like that. How to solve a blank page. Okay, let's get rid of that. I might put some more on in a bit, but at the moment, no. Right, so on my sets of stickers, I'm thinking, oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. Now, where are we going? Let's make this really pretty. I think up there, and then trim the tops off. I don't know what you folks have been doing with your spare time, but I have been practicing my sketching. I've got all sorts of raccoons was the latest one that I've done. It's I'm quite getting into them, I have to say. Right, let's put him down there, and I'll go around after and trim the edges off. Now, I have put on an April calendar, because I figured I could probably just go and, you know, like a prisoner when they tick all the days off, scratch the days off. Oh yes, that's how we're getting it at the moment. Right, now I want to do some writing first. I will put, I have actually done a sheet to go with this, where, so there's one of those, and the wording on there. I will link it below. It's on the website because you can't do freebies on Etsy. No, not allowed. So very quickly, I will speed this up so you won't be bored with this bit. Right, there we go. I said it was tongue-in-cheek. Oh yes, this is... I really can't see any other way of dealing with this apart from sort of going, yay! Let's just go for it. So there we go. Trim that bit off. I hope you're all managing and finding something to sort of keep your brain occupied. I do find it difficult to concentrate and talk. Hey, there we go. So my setup for April. Let's take this one. I bought some new sticker sheets. Oh boy, they're brilliant, but they really are, once they're on, they're on. I quite like that. I thought it might be fun. I was looking at washi tapes and I'm thinking, oh, yeah, maybe a bit of doodling or some washi. I quite like these. So, they're like, well, they are watercolour swatches that I've... where are we going? Right, let's put one down here. Maybe. Sorry if my arms are in the way. Here in the UK we had something last week where everybody went out on the street to clap the NHS, like our NHS staff. And it was really nice to see people out there, although I have to say on our road there was us and two others, but there you go. Some people. We won't do that. What we will do is a bit of writing to say how proud I am of my young ladies that they've taken, after a bit of persuasion, homeschooling. You never know. Right. So I'll speed this bit up and I'll see you in a moment when I'm finished. decorate this bit. I will find the right colour. Right, there you go, colouring for adults. I've cheated today. I haven't drawn my own. I haven't even sort of drawn my own flowers, put my own colour patches on. I am going to be pushed for time for the next few weeks, 11 weeks perhaps, 3 months of this we've got. So, very quick, very easy. It's just something nice, colourful. Time. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed doing it. And so hopefully, now things are settling down, a bit more of a routine, I get more time up here to make this kind of thing. Anyway, you all take care and stay safe, and I will speak to you all later. Bye!